In order to upload an inventory file to update your information and products in bulk, you will first need to create an import format that matches your CSV file. This allows our system to map the information from your file to a specific attribute in Ecomdash. In this short video, we'll show you how to create an import format in Ecomdash. To get started, navigate to Settings, and then click Bulk Import/Export. Select View in the Manual Import Formats tile. To create a new import format from scratch, click Add New. Once you name the import format and select Add New again, you'll be able to customize the import format by choosing Add Attribute. Here are a few tips to remember when creating your import format and adding attributes. If you are uploading storefront and/or warehouse-specific information, you will need to set a storefront and/or warehouse from the dropdown and select Save before adding your attributes. Storefront-specific information consists of listing price and listing description, while warehouse-specific information consists of quantity and aisle and bin location. If the file you are uploading has headers, you will need to select File Includes Header so that when the file is processed, the first row will be skipped. If you have multiple identifiers on your file, for example, SKU number and supplier SKU, we recommend selecting a specific identifier from the Identify Products Based On dropdown. This will allow Ecomdash to find a match in your account based on this specific attribute. Ignore attributes can be used if you have a column on the file that you would like to not affect the information that is set in Ecomdash, or if you have information on your file that does not match one of the attributes provided. Once you have added all of your attributes and saved your import format, you are ready to start updating your product information in bulk.